just made you more confused. You just need to see how lovely, how lovely, how lovely it is for you. Got stuck, you went looking for clues, but that just made you more confused. You just need to see how lovely, how lovely, how lovely it is for you. The waiting's done and you find your home right here. A light goes off and it clicks, you figure out.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I am doing my cocoa bar. Believe it or not, y'all, I kind of did it backwards of how I normally do for my Christmas decor this year. I normally start off doing my cocoa bar and then decorate the rest of my house, but I have decorated the rest of my house first, and this cocoa bar has been last only because there was stuff that I wanted to put on it, and I finally found them, and I'll show you guys what that is when I get started. But I just wanted to welcome you guys to my channel. If you're new, I would love for you to stick around. I'm not going to go into the whole spiel of who I am or whatever. I am just me, like Tiffany. I just do me on my channel. So if you're not new, thank you for continuing to support me. So I'm gonna go ahead. First, I'm gonna just show you guys what I was looking for. So I don't have a Trader Joe's near me. That's like the closest one is like 45 minutes away from my house. And luckily, my mama lived close to one. So I actually had, when I found out that she had one in her area, I called her. And luckily, her and my bonus dad were already out in the area. And I was like, Mama, why you didn't tell me that you had a Trader Joe's by you? So, these are the cookies, y'all. I sent her some money to get me 3 packs. And I'm glad I got 3 packs. I might have to get her to get me some more because, baby, these things are good, okay? But these are the little mug cookies. You hang them on the side of your cookie jar. Not your cookie jar, but your mug. So baby, I don't know if mine don't even make it to the mug because it's so good. Listen, I done already opened a pack, and I'll share. I did share. Sharing is caring. But yeah, I've already opened the pack, as you can see, and we ate them. I shared with my mama and my sister. So yeah, we ate some of them, but luckily, like I said, I did get her to get me 3 boxes. I can't remember how much she said they were. I think they were like $2.99 a pack, but they're good. It's crunchy spice cookies. Like my little children, they couldn't wait on me, and somebody's already opened the marshmallows. So like, listen, just look past anything that's already open because we couldn't wait. Okay. We just couldn't wait. So, with that being said, we're going to go ahead and get started. As y'all can see, look at this. Look at all of this that I have. And we're going to try to create a whole cookie bar not cookie bar, but a whole cocoa bar out of this clutter that's been sitting on my counter causing anxiety for me for the past week or two. So, alright, so I'm not going to talk through this part, but I just wanted to show you guys what I'm working with. I did wash and wash my hands and wash these canisters and everything prior to me starting this video, so I just wanted to put that out there.
watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day. Oh, oh, yeah. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as we walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Yeah, a Merry Christmas Day. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, 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 oh,
Let the fears fly away, ride it out like a wave, allow yourself some grace. You can have it.